beer, just like drink and naked.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You want me to leave the beer out here? Oh, he's taking a shot of whiskey. There you
Don't
go.
spill the beer.
Take the family drink.
Piece of cake.
Okay, watch out. Watch out.
Better move, Paul.
End of the line.
Bring an ice chest.
We didn't bring anything.
I brought one thing of water.
Yeah, we gotta figure out how to turn around. This ain't gonna work.